Okay, here we go. Okay, we're getting ready for some risky business with this Holy Stone HS430 drone model. This was sent to me by the brand. This is a mini drone. As you can see, it's really small. I've got my little controller right there and the battery. I'm not even gonna put on the guards, so I'm gonna see if I can fly this just like this. Long press this thing. So that is blinking. I'm gonna back up just a stage here. Let's see how this goes. It is paired. This is the Holy Stone HS430 mini drone model. Woo! Okay, here we go. What? Check that out. Oh my gosh. Not a lot I could do in this room. All right, I'm gonna land. Okay, I think the drone survived, so we're gonna fly it just a little bit more. All right, so there you see it. See the cameras right there. See the props just spinning. Oh, this is pretty cool. Back this up and I'll do the rotation thing again. Oh, bad. That's so cool. Oh, how cool is this Holy Stone? Let's land this sucker. How cool is that? That is way too much fun. It has two different speeds. It has a fast speed and a slow speed. It has that rotation like I showed you there. It has an automatic takeoff button, which I can push right here. So if I push this button right here, it'll take off. Woo! Yep. Of course, it has a power button. Has headless mode right here. I don't know what this other one is. Oh, this right here is a photo video. So one press for a photo and then long press for video. Be sure you follow the FAA guidelines, and I did not connect this to my phone. I am flying indoors. So I am good. What? Let's land this sucker. Call it a day. Holy Stone HS430 seems really awesome. I can't wait to fly this in a larger space.